The F-16 and MQ-9 Reaper drones have been used in various military operations around the world, including combat missions and surveillance operations. During operations, F-16s flew more than 2,000 sorties and dropped more than 1,000 bombs, while MQ-9 Reaper drones provided intelligence and surveillance. The F-16 flies close air support missions, while the MQ-9 Reaper drone provides real-time intelligence and targeting for strikes. In conclusion, the F-16 and MQ-9 Reaper drones are critical tools in modern warfare, providing the military with the capabilities necessary for intelligence gathering and combat operations. Being able to work with airmen from the MQ-9 home side is always great because basically we have the same mission of building a fighter crew but with different aircraft. Communication between the MQ-9 and F-16 units is very helpful build and strengthen our effectiveness in completing missions. The 49th Wing is the Air Force's largest formal F-16 and MQ-9 training unit, producing hundreds of combat-ready fighter pilots, remotely piloted aircraft pilots, and sensor operators each year. These airmen continue to support American and Allied operations around the world. The United States Air Force has expressed concern about the threat posed by the MiG-29 to its F-16 fighters. In particular, the Air Force is concerned about the MiG-29's advanced avionics and weapon systems, which will allow it to outsmart and outmaneuver the F-16 in battle. One of the most significant advantages of the MiG-29 over the F-16 is its advanced radar system, which is capable of detecting and tracking multiple targets simultaneously. This radar system allows the MiG-29 to engage multiple targets at once, giving it a significant advantage in combat. To address the threat posed by the MiG-29, the United States Air Force has been working to upgrade its F-16 fleet with new avionics and weapon systems. This upgrade is designed to give the F-16 greater ability to detect and engage enemy aircraft, and to increase its maneuverability and speed. The United States Air Force has also been working on a new tactics and training program to help F-16 pilots better engage the MiG-29 in combat. These programs focus on increasing pilots' situational awareness and developing new tactics to engage advanced enemy fighters. The MiG-29 was developed to compete with the U.S. Air Force's fourth-generation fighters, such as the F-15 and F-16. It was designed to be agile and maneuverable, with a high thrust-to-weight ratio, allowing it to make sharp turns and fast acceleration. In combat, the MiG-29's primary role is air-to-air combat, where it can use its speed, agility, and firepower to engage enemy fighter aircraft. Its armament includes air-to-air missiles such as the R-27 and R-73, which have a range of up to 80 kilometers and can engage multiple targets simultaneously. Overall, the MiG-29 remains a formidable fighter, despite being developed during the Cold War era. Its design features and capabilities have been improved over the years, making it a formidable opponent for modern combat aircraft. As such, the United States Air Force continues to invest in new technologies and tactics to counter the MiG-29 threat. These investments include new weapon systems, avionics, and training programs, as well as working with international partners to share knowledge and expertise on advanced combat aircraft. In conclusion, the MiG-29 posed a significant threat to the United States Air Force's F-16 fighters. Its advanced avionics and weapon systems, combined with its superior maneuverability and speed, make it a formidable opponent in air-to-air combat. However, the United States Air Force is working hard to counter this threat by investing in new technologies and tactics to enhance the F-16's capabilities in combat. Another advantage of the MiG-29 is its superior maneuverability, which allows it to make sharp turns and fast acceleration. This maneuverability made it difficult for F-16 pilots to engage the MiG-29 in dogfighting, where the MiG-29's agility could give it the upper hand. Despite modernization efforts, the threat posed by the MiG-29 to the F-16 remains a significant concern for the United States Air Force. The MiG-29's advanced avionics and weapon systems, combined with its superior maneuverability and speed, make it a formidable opponent in air-to-air combat.